Welcome to Lakwed TV. This is Lakwed Ben, and today in our program of Kikweda, we are doing something wonderful. We keep talking about academic performances. What do? We normally talk and talk and talk. But today, I'm happy to see that something else is happening and the journey has just begun.
I think in Gulu district, I don't know about you, but this is the first day of its kind. Have you attended anything like this anywhere else?
It is promising for everyone. It's possible in all ways, and we can all achieve when we work hard towards the same goal.
We always underperform when it comes to mathematics, and this is where the war has begun from. Today we are in Oche Campion Jesuit College.
I am really so happy for this day that we have come to have a seminar. It's a combination of schools. We have many schools that have attended the seminar, and
you may ask yourself, who are these schools? Of course, Oche is the host, and we have Gulu Central High School. We also have Sir Samuel Becker School, and then Nile Progressive Senior Secondary. We also have Negri College, who also came and represented here.
This one will multiply, okay? A will multiply everything here, then this one will just remain the way it is, because it has the LCM under, isn't it?
I ended up with a credit in mathematics, but that didn't stop me at all. I went ahead and I was doing some other things in mathematics.
Even in trigonometry, if you are putting the right identities, you will always be correct. The only problem will be for you, it may be long, and the other person will be what? Using certain method. But they're all correct. Are we getting?
I welcome all of you. The reason why we came out with this one here, we want to compete the schooling center. Every time, every year, when results are out, we only look at the name of schools which are in the center. Most of those students, they are students who are from this region here going there. Now, why don't we do it? We have been in the same university, studying like those teachers. We have the brain they are having. So why don't we compete with them? We have started this one here. I want to tell you that in second term, we are going to be bringing again the chief examiners for both paper 1 and paper 2 in Gulu here. And also I expect all of you to be present for that program.
You make this one to be your R what? R1. Are we together? Yes. Then the last one here, the mistake you did, that made you not also to get the answer. By taking this one this side. Remember, this is P of 2 is this side, huh? Which is the same as R of what? R of 2, which is the remainder of 2.
I don't want to say I'm among the brightest students in my class, but because of that is why I'm here, because I want to gain more knowledge. There are people who are better, there are people who are not better than you, but then you can make them better, and the people who are better than you, they can make you better.
I personally have learned a lot in this seminar because we've had questions that we were given beforehand to work out these questions, and as the host school we were supposed to work out the questions before. So this gave us a wide view of different concepts in mathematics, especially paper 1 that we had the seminar today.
We shall form another equation there. So this question needs a lot of reasoning.
Because most of us in Form 6, we think of only getting the points and that's it. We don't apply the knowledge after. They said the education system in Uganda, it's just theoretical, not practical, and that's why they brought the new curriculum. But for those of us who are ahead, we didn't have a lucky chance. That luck charm to be in the new curriculum, we didn't have. But still, we can manage what we have. Remember, if you can't have something, perfect on what you have. So this is one of the ways we can do that. In this math seminar, you're going to get new concepts because every teacher teaches in a different way. They give you different methods of handling questions.
It gives us ample time to lay out what we have and to gain more knowledge on what we don't have. Because if you are to see, in mathematics, there are very many methods of finding an answer. But then if you just do your revisions alone, you don't get to know all the methods. And it might be that someone may be having the method which is easier and can be best known by you.
It has widened our knowledge and our view of mathematics, and it has made it simpler. And then if you're with people, you interact, you get new ways of solving the same thing that you had only a single way to approach. And besides that, you're going to get new people with new ideas. Because in life, for you to grow, you have to get new ideas every day. And each and every day before you go to bed, you have to say, I have something new I've learned. Like I've come today, there is a lot of things I've learned, and in the evening probably I'll meditate upon it so that I don't forget. And that's one of a big benefit that this seminar has given me.
So let us make work a daily routine such that you back up with life.
It's really a privilege to be here.
I thank my teachers for this, and I pray they get us more and more of these type of events in the future. And we hope by the grace of God, everyone that gets back to their school will really say, I am not the same person that went there. I came with a different concept today.
What you need to know, God first, then other thing later.
From the ladies' side, let's welcome Pauline Pora as the best presenter.
I want also to appreciate everyone, mainly my teachers, because they did a lot to make me understand also the concepts, and also everyone who really participated in the seminar, including teachers from other schools.
Okelo Oscar Milita. And with this, Mr. Headmaster, we have prepared something later for these best two people. They can use that for buying some scholastic material. It is only 10K.
We all benefited, and one of such was some of the topics we have not yet covered so well, and also other people did not understand. So we were able to understand the concept from other schools, and we shared knowledge with them.
Thank you so much.
Students this side of the region, they have the confidence. The whole of Uganda, you know that you're grooming at least good citizens.
And I do encourage students and the teachers to organize several seminars so that they can gain a lot.
From next year onward, we shall see different results in A-level in the north, in general. So I'm so grateful for this.
You first confirm, it may even be a fake money. Confirm. People are not trusted nowadays. You may think the HM is the one giving you the correct money, yet we are making forgery everywhere. So this is my friend. He's the one heading the department of physics and mathematics. Let me take this honor to give you the opportunity to welcome the editor of the school using English. Thank you so much.
We don't use English, but we speak in English.
I'm happy to see that there was so much spices in between there.
But the confidence of seeing someone driving gave me the confidence to give it a try and a go. And so I strongly believe that you seeing your colleague presenting, I'm sure even those of you who have never presented at your own schools, you will go back and pick a piece of chalk and lead the class. Are we not going to do it? Are we not going to try? And when you do it, that is actually when you understand. Knowledge is not like other items. When you give, you lose it. Knowledge, when you give, that is when you expand it. And so in case in the next week, you see some teachers from Acholi at your school, know that they have come to learn from your teachers.
You may ask yourself, why only these 5 schools? Good question. The month of March is a period in first term that most schools are conducting their midterm examinations, and very many schools were undergoing this. That's why very many schools were unable to attend this. Dear viewers, parents and guardians, the question here is, can we do it? Yes, we can. Now it becomes our responsibility to trust our local schools and equip them with the necessary assistance possible.
So guys, these are basically what we wanted to bring for you today. Make sure if you haven't subscribed to our channel of Lakwed TV, this is your time. Please make sure you do it and click on the notification bells so that next time when we put something new, you'll be able to get the notification. Thank you so much. Love you all. And this is how we do.